I realized that a lot of people in this town are really dumb with money. And so when people are done with money, they have to rent.
Are rentals that aren't like a Section 8 program or something of that nature, uh, how are the rentals actually doing? Meaning, are they always on time? Are they ever like going into where like they're squatting? Like, how's the eviction process in New York? Forget about it. You get someone that's not paying,
Right.
you're literally, you might as well just fold up shop at this
Right.
point.
It is the opposite of New York.
Oh
It is the opposite of New York. Um, because, well, one, I've gotten really good at setting up the systems to fill the vacancies. And so the process is this: you want to find one tenant forever. That's always the goal.
wow,
One
100%.
person to rent your house for as long as possible, but the hard part is finding that tenant. And so what I do is I interview the tenant and I say, what do you do for work? How much money do you have? You're able to ask these questions. And then I create a relationship with these people. I'm just not like the landlord. I help them, I send them Christmas gifts. So I swear to you, I've had one little problem during COVID, but other than that, the people that I rent to are upper class people.
Okay.
They have good jobs, they have stable income, good money, and my house is nice. So it's a win-win. But if you get lazy on that front end, it is a bitch.